maduong' mar duond bura mar Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni oriwore kod jatend duond bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kwayo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo chan twak kod duond buche makwedo sirkal ewi wach mar gwelo jakom duol mochung'ne yiero pacho ka miluongo ni IEBC. Kioni wacho ni mano e yo kende mar chuogo IEBC ma ok dhi yiengore nyakonchiel e yiero maduong' mabiro. Ruto nyose yudo nyinge 11 kowuok kuom aput mane omi ting' mar chuogo aduolno.
What was meant to be achieved by NADICO is what we have done since 1997. That political parties have an opportunity to agree on who becomes the referee. So that it's not a referee from one side of the game. It's a referee whom we have agreed upon. And the intended objective was more than one name was to be given to the president for the position of the chair. In fact, it is allowed the position of the chair and possibly the vice chair where there was need for concurrence and consultation and concurrence. And the issue was before he ceased to agree on that name, why is it not possible to have a discussion around the 2 names or 3 names that the panel arrived at? So that hata wewe mwenyewe ukienda kwa hii mchezo ya uchaguzi unajua kwamba huyu referee si referee wa kucheza kutoka side ile nyingine